How to fix Battlefield 6 keeps crashing on Steam. So basically you want to right click on Battlefield 6 and then go to properties and go to installed files and then click on verify the integrity of game files, and then just wait for this process to finish. Now once this is done, you want to basically go back to the properties tab and click on the browse, and right here you can find the game's exe file. Now you might find it outside here or sometimes inside a folder like bin folder. You want to right click on the exe and then go to compatibility and then basically check both of these options right here. Click on apply and OK. Now you want to go to the general tab and add this to the launch options box, which is -dx11. Now you can close this window. Now you want to open up your GPU applications. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need NVIDIA app, and then go to drivers section, check for updates, and make sure to download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Download it and install it. Now once you do that, you will be prompted to restart your system. So when you restart your computer, you should simply open up Steam and just launch Battlefield 6, and that should solve the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.